So before my shoulder surgery, I was not functional at all. I'm right-handed and it was my right shoulder. Any daily activity was extremely painful and difficult, and there's so many things I just couldn't do. And besides not being able to do them, I was in pain. I was in terrible pain all the time. Any little bit of motion for my shoulder was just really horrible. And it was so frustrating that I couldn't do basic activities. Swimming, playing sports, those things were well out of my reach. Those were never things I could even consider doing. I mean, I had tried pretty much everything. I did occupational therapy, physical therapy, countless steroid injections. I did cupping, I did acupuncture, I did TENS units, I did a point stimulator. I had done everything for years, many, many years, and was just not functional. And I never was really told that I could get much better than what I was, because it had been so long that I had been limited so far. So I had met Dr. Burns at the hospital when he worked for the military hospital, and when he saw me, we talked about it. He knew I already knew that I needed the replacement. He tried to convince me a couple years ago to do it, and so we knew I was at the point where I just had to have it done. But he was the only person I was going to trust to do this for me. Because my shoulder had been bad for so long, we didn't expect me to get normal range of motion. If I could get something functional, we were going to consider the surgery a success. And I was fine with that. And so instead, I've gotten almost normal range of motion in almost every direction, and it's all pain-free. Every bit of my motion is pain-free, and that's exceeded any expectations I had for myself. Like, I'm just shocked that I'm doing as well as I am. It's great. This has completely changed my life. I tell people all the time, the shoulder replacement surgery is probably the best thing I've ever done. I can do whatever I want to do with my arm. I can live a normal life and do fun things that I would never expected I'd ever be able to do.